Okay, so we have come to the first section of the queries that we have planned to take today, which were related to the registration. Now, there are few more queries which relate to composition scheme. So we'll discuss them one by one. Now, the first query is, what is the threshold for opting for composition? Now, in this case, the aggregate turnover during the previous financial year, which is again PAN based, that means aggregate for all the GSTINs on a single PAN. The limits are shown here. If that PAN is dealing only in goods, it is rupees 75 lakhs, which is applicable for the states of Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura, Arunachal, Meghalaya, Sikkim, and Uttarakhand. For the remaining states and union territories, it is rupees 1.5 crore. Now, if somebody is dealing in supply of services or mixed supplies, it is 50 lakh across all the states and union territories in the country. But there are some more conditions involved. Now, a very common question is, now this is supposed to be a very simple method of complying with your tax requirements. So for a composite taxpayer, what are the returns or the statements which are required to be filed? Now, one is, a composite taxpayer is required to file CMP 08 statement on a quarterly basis, which is a payment of self-assessed tax. And they are only required to file one single annual return in form GSTR 4 with the details of the supplies received and made. So in that sense, their reporting requirements are much simpler as compared to a regular normal taxpayer. And this is how they can file the return. They click on services, returns dashboard, and then they can go on to file the statement or the return. Now, there are options of opting in for composition scheme and also opting out of composition scheme. Let's see who can opt in and how they can opt in. One is, if somebody wants to opt in for the composition scheme, there could be two situations. One is, a person is applying for a fresh registration. In that case, he will be required to file form CMP 01 at the time of making the application. Now, since it is a fresh application, it can be done at any time. The first time you are applying for registration, you can choose to be a composite taxpayer, provided you fulfill all the remaining conditions of being a composite taxpayer. But if you're an existing registered taxpayer who was registered as a normal taxpayer, do you have an option to shift and become a composite taxpayer? Yes, you have an option. You can file an application in form GST CMP 02. The only thing to remember here is that this application has to be filed by 31st of the March of the previous month for availing the scheme in the next month. And this option is given only once in a year. But once you have exercised this option, you don't need to apply afresh every year. You can continue to be in composition scheme till you opt out or till you stop fulfilling the conditions which are applicable for a composition taxpayer, and then you will be forced to come out of the scheme. Now, in case you want to apply for a composition scheme, and if you are a registered, already existing registered taxpayer, in that case, you'll click on services, click on registration, and then click on application to opt for composition scheme. Now, in case you want to opt out of composition scheme, what are the options and how do you exercise that option? Now, taxpayers registered under composition scheme can opt out of composition scheme at any time during the financial year. Only thing is they need to file form GST CMP 04. And how do they do that on the portal? You go to services, go to click on application for withdrawal from composition levy. You are also required to give a reason for withdrawal from composition levy. Now, what are the possible reasons? All the reasons are listed out here, but I'll just briefly tell you what are the common reasons. One is, if you have exceeded the threshold. In the beginning, we discussed about the threshold, which is specific to states. Only if you are under that threshold can you apply for the composition scheme. So in case you happen to exceed the threshold during the year, you will have to opt out of composition scheme. Now, in case you start interstate supply of goods, because otherwise you can only make supplies within the state. If you start supplying goods through e-commerce operator or some other reason, that will have to be selected by you for opting out of composition scheme.